Good morning, guys. I wanted to show you my Harbor Freight portable garage. Obviously, I have made an addition to it. So I'll show you the inside of this thing first. Got my Gravely L8 in here. This is most of the reason I bought this garage. Obviously, I don't have a hood on it. So it was sitting outside in the rain for 2 years, so it got a little water in the oil, but started up first pull after I changed the oil, so I wanted somewhere to keep it protected. So this is the box that it came in. It was pretty heavy. It was like, I don't know, 100 pounds or so. This right here is what I got for lighting this thing up. So 6-watt solar system, 20 watt hours of storage, and it's got 4 separate lights. So on their website they said this is in use in over 100,000 homes in Kenya. So start off here. This is the control box. You got low, medium, high, and off. Now of course you can't see it. So it gives you the clock, date, how much battery power you got at the bottom there. It'll show you what you're getting for solar power. You can't see it right now. But you also have the radio.
Even during these trying times, because it's hard even for companies like yourselves.
So you got all your different stations you can go through, volume. You can also use this as a MP3 player. This here on the side, and you stick an SD card in there, it'll read the music off of that. But you could hear the radio actually sounds very nice. You have
Here that we needed to continue to commit to.
I think it's a 6-foot antenna here, which I just routed up to the top here because I'm pretty much out in the woods here. I just made sure that it wasn't touching the bar up top or the bar down here where it comes out. So that way I can have it get decent reception without interference from the structure itself. So you also have your 2 USB charging ports on the side here. I think this is to daisy chain another solar panel on here. I'm gonna have to look into that. You got a little cubby to store some stuff in here. It won't fit my phone, but that's whatever. I don't really care. So each light has its own switch. Low, medium, high. Same for this one here. And the one outside here is a different switch. Low, medium, high. And then the 4th click turns on that red light. Now it's off. Until I go outside, it turns on. This one's a motion detected light. And basically what I did for the solar panel here is I routed the wire up along here. It's out of the way, I'm not going to bump my head on it. And to the outside, because this is where all my sun is. I should have made this post a little bit closer, but it is what it is. It gets charged enough, so I'm not worried about it. I wanted the control box on this side just because it's a little lower to the ground. So that's why it's on this side as opposed to over there where it would have been easier for the solar panel. But this connector here is for daisy chaining all the lights together. So as you can see, you got a whole bunch of extra slack in each one. So I just tied up the slack. You got a whole bunch. So it's definitely adequate. And then you can see the hook up there. So what you could do is run the hook through here and have the light angled. But I don't need it for that. So I just left them how they are. And actually, thinking about it, I think this is for an additional battery. I think. Don't quote me on that. I'll put it in the description or a text over this. But we'll just see how this looks lit up. Now you can see the screen. At the bottom is your sun meter. Right now we don't really have any charge going. It's only 6:50 in the morning. Keep that one on motion and turn on the other two in here. As you can see, it brightens it up a good bit. So the whole reason I got this is because I'm putting my other tractors in here, so I got room in the garage to build my sailboat. But I work 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., so my days off, I'm awake during the night, so I'll have some light and I can come down here and work on these things. I'm hoping to have it done pretty soon. It's going to be getting cold and there's no way to heat this thing really. But that was just my quick overview of this thing. I'll put up a video after of this thing lit up at night so you guys can see that. I'll just show you this. Dimming it back down. Alright. It's just an idea on how you can get some lighting in here. I think it was like 120 bucks for the light. So it's really not bad at all, and for the amount of light you get, you don't have to be anywhere near your house. I'm probably 300-400 foot from the house. I don't have electricity down here, so this was a good solution for me. Okay, there's the motion light. Just to show you here. Sorry, I only got one hand. Obviously I have some stuff in here now, but that is plenty of light to be working on stuff in here. Very happy with it.